Luke, and it was an amazing day hanging out with my friend Hayden, and we were just riding pit bikes, watching the races. Yesterday I raced, and then we rode pit bikes, and then Thursday we rode pit bikes all day. So that's what we've mainly been doing, but it's been really fun doing it, and I'm going to start hanging out with Hayden a lot, so I'm going to start hanging out, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.
He's gone. Man, I was recording, dude.
10-minute break, and then we'll go into round 2. Luke.
And it didn't go so well with the race. I was first moto, I was checked out, and won that one. Second moto, third lap, I was feeling good, you know, running strong. And at the sand, it was running good. Then we come to the end of it, and it's like, pa! Ball, 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 ball. So one of the reeds blew and got sucked up, and it was in my bike. So needed a new reed, top in, and all that good stuff. So it'd be a good time. We salvaged what we could, second overall, and thank you guys for watching.
I don't think you can believe that player. I have an Xbox.
You got it!
Board and check it out. Make sure.
Good job, buddy! Good job, baby! That's all we learned.
What?